Yes, welcome. But this is Auto World Diagnosis and Repair Center, Rupoko. This is a Honda Accord. We used to call it Evil Spirit, Honda Evil Spirit. You can see this is Engineer Emoha from Ipere Rumebe, Ipere local government area, River State. This is group of boys engineers, both students and apprentices, and the senior apprentice, and the workmen working at Auto World Diagnosis and Repair Center, Rupoko, in Obiabo local government area of River State, Nigeria. You can see this is 3MZ engine. This is 3MZ engine. This is Belgian engine. Belgian, call it second-hand engine. We bought this engine from Aba, Aloji, Aba, Abia State. And the engine we fit into this Sienna 2002. And it's not only this 2002, it will fit into 2005 Highlander, 2002 Highlander, RS 300, Sienna 2005, Lexus, Highlander. So you can see, this is the crane that they use to put the engine. This is the crane. This is crane. I will use to put this engine inside this place. In less than no time, you will see that this engine will stand, this car will move. Thank you.